What's up, guys? So we're here, another department here at Truck Hero with my friend Mike. He's going to be kind of going over some of the options we have for the latest model F-150. We have Super Lift. Can you tell us, Mike?
So we have anything simple from a 2-inch leveling kit to a 4.5-inch kit and a 6-inch kit. With the 4.5 and 6-inch kit, we do option it in our new King Shock Edition. This is a Super Lift Edition King Shock, so it's only available from Super Lift. It is compression adjustable and ride-out adjustable between 4.5 and 6 inches.
Nice. And what do you think the price point would be for something like this?
About $4,500.
$4,500. So you guys heard it direct from Truck Hero. I hope you guys enjoyed this content, and we'll keep showing some more stuff here. Thanks, guys. I'm here at with King Off-Road here with Jason, and we're over here at the Raptor display, and he's going to go over here, be helpful to us, and explain a little bit as to how the suspension actually works. So we're on good plans.
All right, nice to meet you, Jonathan.
Thanks, man. Thank you.
So for the Ford Raptor, for the 2017 and up, the Gen 2 we like to call it, we've put some goodies into it. So on the front coilovers, we've added internal bypass technology that allows the shock to have a really soft, supple travel for most of it, and then really firm up in the last little bit. It gives you what we call like an internal bump zone. So when you get into the bigger stuff, the suspension automatically firms up for you. We're also doing it right by adding race finned reservoirs. These are there to help keep the shocks cool. So when you're out there in the desert, beating on the shocks, they're going to stay nice and cool for you, and the performance is going to stay consistent. And for the rear, we also upgraded. We added a 4-tube external bypass. So you get 2 compression and 2 rebound adjustments. And we also, again, added race fin reservoirs on the rear to keep the shocks cool. They also come standard with rubber shaft guards. So any rock chips and debris that might come up, that helps protect the rear shocks, keeps them from getting chipped and damaged.
Nice. All right, thanks, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'd like to thank Jason for giving us that little insight, and thank you, guys.